Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to make a site visits bar similar to the one I have in my own website. Because some of you have been asking for it, so yeah. I'll put whoever asked for it on the screen right now. So yeah, well, on to the tutorial. Hello, this is the test game site that we're going to be using for this tutorial. So yeah, as you might recognize it, this is the one we use for 99% of all the other tutorials. So yeah, we're just going to make a visitor counter, as we said in the intro. So we're gonna go to this website called freecounterstat.com. I'm gonna put the link to it in the description. So yeah, then we're just gonna find a counter. We'll just use this one because it's just theirs. So click on the circle, then categorize your sites. I'm gonna say games, then video games, then we'll just make the number. So this number is how many digits it can show. So I'm gonna make it 9 because I want to show the max amount, because 9 is the max, right? Yep. So yeah, this so if you got a lot of views on your site, this will help me show you. So this is for how many you want it to start off with for the first time. I'm gonna set it to 100 because we finally hit 100 subscribers on this day. So yeah, thank you all for subscribing and that stuff. So for the position, we're gonna say standard, so it doesn't move around. This zoom counter is to make it as big or something like that. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave it 100 because I don't want it to be too big, right? So yeah, then we're gonna go hit counter and public stats. So if that isn't set to already, set to that. I'm not a robot and submit. So we're gonna copy the code down here because that won't work since we're using Google Sites, not Azure or whatever. So we're gonna go insert embedded code. We're gonna paste it. Then it'll show up here. So as you can see, it's here, but it has this thing when you click on it, it just sends you to the original site. So any reasonable person, you don't want that, right? So we're gonna click here, then select this part all up to the arrow at image, delete it, next, save. Then when we click on the preview button and click on it, nothing happens. So yeah, basically what we just did is we removed the link thing. So yeah, and if you want to make it smaller or something, so it doesn't take up too much space of the home screen, just shrink it down like that, and just do this. This thing automatically snaps to it, I guess. For this one, it snaps automatically, but I wouldn't recommend doing that, or else it cuts off a bit of the image when it's at 0. So we're just gonna put it up here. So yeah. There it is, and that's how you make a site counter. If you want one similar to the first one in the tutorial or something, just click on the button here, then blah blah blah, and do the stuff I told you in the tutorial. So yeah, that's basically how you do it, and yeah, that's how you do it. So hope you have fun making your own game sites, and adios.